this is my seat. I don't really care. My seat is dirty. Mom, go over there. That's your seat. Not the same one as me. That is not my seat. Also, I will cooperate at the dance and the drama. I don't really care. Let's try. Oh, that's the title. My boyfriend is, that's my brother. My brother is a pilot in this plane. Because he really wants to go to Miami. And I'm going to Miami with her. Let's go to private. I don't really care. It's not your brother, it's my brother. I don't really care. Is there going on here? Yes. Why? Because this is my ship, I'm Bobby, and my brother is a pilot. Oh! Okay. And now, oh, it's bedtime. What's the time? Get every time. So, it's going to get up tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. It's at 30 and 100 hours flight. Okay? And also, don't mind me, I don't really care. I'm the okay, we're arriving in 1 minute, okay?
Guys, tawag ka rin. Magpalit ka muna.
We're home.